Hello YouTube viewers, last time I just talk about how to install the WordPress on free host and the anatomy of WordPress site. So in order to customize your WordPress site, you have to understand the very basic concepts. So I created another one's anatomy of WordPress site section 1. In that section talk about the themes. Now I'm going to dig in and find out what exactly the theme is. So we'll continue to use this website, that is phpxref.ftwr.co.uk. I will post this URL after below the video, and you can go back and to study by yourself. Alright, now let's look at the structure of the WordPress. So as I said last time, that the WordPress front end, all the files you can see as a front end are saved here in the wp.content. But all the back end files, like the panels, your dashboard, any menus in the dashboard, that is wp -admin, so you can change here. But now we are going to know what is the theme. So this is the video about what is the theme of WordPress. Literally, WordPress theme is also a collection of PHP files. Alright, maybe you will say, oh, there are another files like CSS files, or the other files like let me go to the WP content. You may say, I just pick one of the themes. All right, like for example the 2017, and you will say, oh, besides the PHP files, there are something like a template parts, inclusion, assets. Yes, in assets files you have CSS file, you have image, you have JavaScript files. It's true. But the most part of the theme still are PHP files. So you can tell, if you want to be a master of WordPress developer, you got to have good skills in PHP language in order to customize any piece of your website. All right. So let's talk about the theme. The theme is, as I said, a collection. Also, the theme has two major files, index.php and style.css. Alright? The first one, just like index, they will, like a library, you go to find some books, you need some reference. So this file will just as a starting point where you can call different parts of the web pages into your server, into your browser. And once you put all the parts into your browser, you may also create some effects. The color, the font size, that is style.css will apply to your structure of the web pages. Now let's go one by one. Alright, so the theme is this. So let's go with the index.php first. Let's go to the website. You will say here in this theme, the 2017, you have those files, right? They have two as well. You have three folders. One assets, one includes, the other template parts. But outside of these three folders, you will see there are a bunch of PHP files. They're like a single.php. This will control the post, the layout of the post. The sidebar, of course, the layout of the sidebar, and some functions. Search form, so that will show you how you search on your website. And search, also the very similar thing. But page is just show you different layout for the page. So, and from the names you can tell, like header, that could be the header part of the web page. Functions, is also very important. They will control the different effects on your website. And the front page is similar, but you say the front page is very similar as what? As page. So that's the WordPress the convention. When you use another page, you can put the name there, front page. You can create your customized PHP files within the content folder, WP content folder, or I mean the 2017 this themes folder. So this is a container that contains those PHP files and 3 folders. So as I said, the PHP index file is very important. So let's click indexed.php. Okay, before we do that, let's say here is another index.php. Why that? Let's go back. Alright, so that's the WordPress, and then you will see there is index.php. Right? Why there are so many index.php? Let's click and see what's inside. Let's look at the code. And there's a source view. Say this is a PHP script, right? The starting tag, and there's no end tag. And in this file, PHP index file, and the WordPress use this function. They define the WP user themes is true. That means they define this variable as true. So this is Boolean. So if it's true, and then what will happen? And then they will require, that means they will include this director name and also the file that's the PHP function. And you can use this to include the abstract path. So where this file is, that just tell that. And the file is a WP blog header. So this is the first PHP file will be launched when you start your WordPress site. All right, that's the index PHP. And if you go inside to the WP content, you will see another index.php. Why there's another index? Let's see the code. Okay, the source view, you will say silence is golden. Why that? It's very funny because you just didn't put any code, it didn't include any PHP functions. Why you put the silence is golden here? Actually, we put index here is for security issue. That means when the people break into your website, you will never see the file structures. And because index.php will help you prevent those malicious hackers, maybe increase your security of your website. All right. And when you go into the theme, you will see another index.php, and this will do the same thing. Let's click. You will see the source view. It's again, you said PHP silence is golden. So they just use the index.php to improve the security of your website. All right, but inside the specific theme, like 2017, the index PHP is different. All right, this is real index PHP. They will have the you say the starting tag $PHP and the ending tag here. So you will, in this PHP code, you will get a header. You will include this function, and the get header will load it to your web page, and you will have this is just this is just a regular HTML tags. You use class, and then you put other index other PHP code and HTML in the PHP code. So you can see the index file is still mixed with the PHP codes and the HTML tag. So that's index file. And next time I'm going to talk about CSS. Thank you for watching.